Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk lashes. The right mascara can make all the difference in framing your face, giving your eyes that bold, dramatic look, or just enhancing your natural beauty. But what if you could get a mascara that promises all that, with the added bonus of being long-wearing, smudge-proof, and free of flakes? Today we're taking a close look at the Milk Makeup KUSH High Roll Tubing Mascara. This product claims to deliver natural volume, length, and definition, while being water-resistant and staying put for up to 24 hours. Let's see how it stacks up. This mascara comes in a sleek, modern tube and is infused with hemp seed, castor, and sunflower seed oils. These ingredients work together to keep your lashes soft, preventing that brittle, crunchy feeling you sometimes get with other mascaras. On top of that, the vegan waxes aim to encourage natural volume and length without weighing the lashes down. I've been using this mascara for a while now, and I've got a solid grasp on how it performs. First off, I'm a fan of the formula. It's creamy, smooth, and easy to apply. The brush is small and tapered, which makes it really great for getting into the inner corners of the lashes, and it has just the right amount of product on it to coat the lashes without clumping. I wore it throughout a busy day, and I have to say, it delivered on the Longwear promise. After about 12 hours, my lashes still look defined and voluminous, with no sign of smudging or flaking. This mascara lives up to the smudge-proof and flake-free claims for sure. However, I did notice a little bit of heaviness as the day went on, which is common with tubing mascaras. It's not unbearable, but something to be mindful of if you prefer a lighter mascara. One of the most impressive things about this product is how easy it is to remove. Tubing mascaras like this one form little tubes around each lash that slide off with warm water and a little pressure. No more scrubbing at your lashes, which is a huge win in my book. Now let's talk about the price. At about $28 for 0.3 aughts, it's not the cheapest mascara out there. However, given the performance, especially with long wear, the clean ingredients, and the ease of removal, it seems to offer solid value. In comparison to similar mascaras, this one stands out for its smooth, natural look and the fact that it's packed with nourishing ingredients like hemp seed oil. Some other long-wearing mascaras on the market might focus on volume or drama, but the KUSH High Roll Tubing Mascara is all about that subtle, enhanced definition that still feels soft to the touch. The build quality of the packaging is great. It's sturdy, and the sleek design feels luxurious. I also appreciate the brand's overall commitment to clean ingredients and cruelty-free testing. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara could be a good option, though it doesn't have the same ingredient list or the long-wearing formula that KUSH offers. If you're in the market for something more affordable that still provides good volume, it's worth considering. Ultimately, the Milk Makeup KUSH High Roll Tubing Mascara is an excellent option if you're looking for a mascara that will stay put, nourish your lashes, and offer a natural, defined look. It's especially great for those with sensitive eyes or anyone who's tired of dealing with mascara flaking throughout the day. The price may feel steep for some, but the formula and performance justify it for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, quality product. If you've tried this mascara or any other tubing mascaras, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to keep up with all things beauty. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.